So over here you can see that I have a project and I got clips right here and all of them have the same color. So sometimes what you want to do to make the clips that you use inside of your project distinct is use clip colors. That is, you want to set specific colors to that to some clips so that they are visually distinct. Let's say what I want to do right here is, here you can see that I got some clips related to the mountains and some related to, let's say, a person in the mountain right here, and other is friends walking by. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set similar colors to them so that they are distinct and I know that they are related. So to do that, all you need to do is select out a clip that you want to apply the clip color to and then right click, and then over here you can see that clip color is an option. So for this, let me just go around and select, let's say, green right here, and you can see that the clip color has been changed to green. I want to do the same for this particular clip as well. So let me right click over here, go to clip color and select green right here. Similarly, I'm going to go around over here, right click, go to clip color and select green for this one as well. So apart from that, you can see that there are this person on the mountaintop right here. So I'm just going to right click and change something else for this. So let's say this is related with the energy right here. So I'm going to go for more brighter color like an orange right here, just like this. I'm going to go around over here and select the clip color to orange, and I'm going to go around over here, select orange as well. If you want to remove out a color, then what you can do is you can select out multiple clips, you can right click, and then you can go to clip color and clear out the color altogether as well. Now let me just go around over here and change the clip color right here to orange, just like this, and change this clip color to green right here, just like this. I'm going to go around over here and then I'm going to right click, go to clip color, and then what I'm going to do is choose, let's say, violet for this, and let's just go around over here and choose violet for this as well. So let me just go around, and this is what you have. As you can see, everything is quite colorful, just like this. And that is how you can set the clip colors according to how you like inside of Davinci Resolve. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.